Hello everyone, I hope you are very well and cool. My dear students, I am request for you please subscribe this channel and enjoy this video. My dear students, today class atomic number, elements name, symbol and atomic mass. 1 to 30 elements name today remember. First name is hydrogen and 13 last name is zinc. Today simple language study. My dear students, please wait in this class. Atomic number and atomic mass. Atomic number and atomic mass. Nucleus, proton and neutron. Proton plus neutron शून्य 0. Okay, my dear students, atomic number 1 and elements name hydrogen. 1 hydrogen and symbol H. Atomic mass 1. Okay, 1 number hydrogen H1 and second number helium. Second number helium symbol He and atomic mass 4. Multiply 2 into is equal to 4. Third number lithium symbol Li and 7. 3 into plus 1 is equal to 7. 4 number beryllium Be and symbol Be, atomic mass 4 into plus 1 is equal to 9. 5 number bron symbol B, 11. That 5 into plus 1 is equal to 11. 6 number carbon symbol C. Carbon symbol C. Carbon C and atomic mass 12. 7 number nitrogen and atomic symbol N and atomic mass 15. 8 number oxygen and symbol is O and atomic mass 16. 16 याद रखेंगे. 8 oxygen symbol O and atomic mass 16. Fluorine F and atomic mass 19. Remember now and 10-9 neon or symbol is Ne and atomic mass 20. 11 number sodium symbol Na, first capital and second is a small letter. First capital and second number is a small letter. Sodium Na and atomic mass 23. Magnesium Mg 25. Aluminium Al 27 and 14 number atomic number 14 silicon symbol Si, atomic mass 28. 15 नंबर एटॉमिक मास में एटॉमिक नंबर में जब आएंगे तो फास्फोरस, और फास्फोरस का क्या होता है सिंबल, तो P. एटॉमिक नंबर जब देखें एटॉमिक मास तो 31 एंड 16 नंबर सल्फर का सिंबल S32. 2, chlorine 35, and argon argon symbol Ar, and 14, then 39.95, potassium K, and atomic mass 40, calcium 20 number or symbol Ca, and atomic mass 40, silicon Sacadium 21, Sacadium Sc, symbol is Sc, and atomic mass 44, titanium 22, titanium Ti, and atomic mass 47, vanadium V, and 51, and 24, chromium Cr, and symbol Cr, and atomic mass 52, manganese Mn, and atomic mass 55, iron 26 Fe, and 56, cobalt 27, cobalt Co, symbol Co, and 15, 9, nickel Ni 28, nickel Ni, and atomic mass 58, and 20, copper Cu, and 63, and last zinc Zn, and 65. Now first, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, 10 number neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, sacadium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. My dear students, this symbol name hydrogen He, helium He, lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, neon Ne, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K, calcium Ca, sacadium Sc, titanium Ti, vanadium V, chromium Cr, manganese Mn, iron Fe, cobalt Co, nickel Ni, copper Cu, zinc Zn. तो my dear students, I am request today class is full enjoy and subscribe this channel. Next video, please wait.